Let's make sambar flavored bharwa bangan or bangan masala today. It's my mother-in-law's twist on the classic bharwa bangan recipe. We are going to cut the brinjals like this from the center, but don't go all the way to the bottom. You can also make 2 cuts and divide it into 4 parts. We will be stuffing the masala into these slits in the bangan. Here we have a bowl of tap water and we'll add some salt into it. Now we will put all the eggplants into this water. Multiple reasons for doing this. It prevents the brinjals from browning and it takes off some of that bitterness if sometimes the brinjals are slightly bitter. Let it rest in that water for 5 to 10 minutes. This is such a simple recipe that even bachelors or beginners can do this. Very minimal preps required. Let's move on to making the masala for the recipe. We will need 5 to 6 teaspoons of sambar masala powder. This is the homemade sambar powder. The link to the sambar powder recipe will be in the I button above and in the description section below. Add some salt as per taste to it and mix it well. Now in a kadhai, take some oil. We are using coconut oil and add in some curry leaves. Now take the masala mixture and put it inside the bangans as shown in the video. And put it into the kadhai. Now do the same thing with all the brinjals. A fun fact about brinjals: botanically speaking, a brinjal is a fruit and not a vegetable. It is classified as a berry and belongs to the nightshade family of plants. However, in culinary terms, brinjal is often treated as a vegetable. Give it a nice wiggle to ensure none of them are sticking to the bottom, and then close the lid and cook it on low to medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip it over. Add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of sambar masala powder again. Here we will make a slurry from tamarind. Take a marble-sized piece of tamarind and extract its flavor in some water. This is regular room temperature water. You need to squeeze it nicely. Now add a small piece of jaggery to that brinjals and that tamarind water that we had prepared. Mix it all nicely. We like it in a mashed format, hence we are mashing it here. However, if you want to keep the brinjals intact, then you may keep it that way. The tamarind jaggery combination creates a perfect balance of tanginess and sweetness, enhancing the overall experience. Let it cook till the brinjals get completely cooked. It took us around 15 minutes on low to medium flame, and then this sambar flavored bharwa bangan or bangan masala is ready to be savored. You can have it with rotis or with just plain rice. I love to have it with plain rice. You don't even need any dal or curry, just mix it with rice and have it. This is such a simple recipe. There is hardly any chopping required, no grinding required. We have not used any onions or ginger and garlic and nothing. Even bachelors can try out this recipe. If you can't make the sambar powder, then get a packaged one, but the ones made at home are much more flavorful. So do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.